Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing DYangBass. I'm out here with a very special person. You guys can't see him yet because it's blurred out, but California smallmouth bass fishing. But anyways, I'm out here, the man, the myth, and the legend.
Finally made it out.
Yep, that's Ballsy Baits, aka Fang. We were supposed to do some like bow fishing, but let's just say that didn't work out. So here we are, resulting to the old ways, right? Where they used to do it, I used to do it. We're out here doing some smallmouth fishing. So not much to say here. We'll talk as we like fish. Right now we're kind of just getting warmed up. It's still early in the morning, and we'll see where it goes from there. So that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out here. So. Oh, dude, I got him! I wasn't even paying attention. Jeez. Oh gosh. Look at him go. Yeah. I wasn't even paying attention, dude. Yeah. Oh, dang. See, if I so hard, dude. Yeah, I knew they were here. Oh, they're fat. Nice, dude. Scared the crap out of me. There you go. They don't smell like craw. Just jaw, yeah, you don't go see. Yeah, they're built different, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you chew craw.
It smells like craw?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't?
Yeah, it smells like fresh fish.
Should wait, huh?
Yep, pause it. Yep, pause it. Just let it drift. You're good, yeah. They're in there.
I think I bit it right at the...
Yeah, right at the shoreline, yeah. Go ahead, do it again. Yep. There you go, yeah.
There's two more there.
Yep, just keep working your way up, all the way up. Yep. Work that whole 180 angle from your left side all the way to the right, right all the way to the left. Because they're in there. Yep. You see one? Yep. Oh, that was cool, dude. Yeah, dozing off, huh? I wasn't even looking at the camera anymore. Up there, yep. Nice, dude. Yep, just keep working it. They're in there. Yep. Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, oh, too quick, too soon, too soon. Yeah. Cast really far into the current, as far as you can. Yeah. There you go, yeah. Work your way all the way down. Got him. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Nice, dude. Yep. Yeah, so just imagine. Oh, you got a pike. Let's go, dude. You got a pike. Hey, mission accomplished. Hey. Oh, gee, you're real. Yeah.
It's something we don't get over there, man.
Nice little pike.
I heard you lit these, right?
Yeah, living, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Thank you for
Right,
the
there you
fight,
go.
buddy.
There you go. Oh, nice one. Get away from the boulder. Keep it. Oh, keep it away from the tree. Nice, dude. That was cool. Let him run downstream. Yep. Just be careful, yeah. Okay, it's a good guy. Dang, hit it so hard, dude.
Yeah, it did. I'm just amazed at how pretty these fish are, man.
Yeah, it's nice.
Here.
Yeah, a little healthy guy.
Yeah.
Nice. Chunky.
Yep.
All right, do it again. We always joke around and say this is our gas money fishing. You don't have to haul a boat, you know, you pack light. You just drive to the, 30 minutes away and then it's nice. Yeah? And you catch fish, you know. You ain't got to worry about animals eating you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got it? Oh, I missed it. Nice, dude. I heard it. Shit. Oh, it's a nice roll. Rod tip up. Don't let him grind you. Don't let him grind you. Ah! Yep, it's a nice one, dude. Careful. I got the net right here if you need me to. Bring it up, bring it up. Oh, careful. Yep. Right here, right here. I told you she was in there, man. Yeah, swing it up. Oh. Yeah, dude, let's go. That's a nice one. It only took time. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. That's what we're here for, man.
That's a good fish.
Sick.
It only took a
Couple casts.
right? Hold it up. I'll take a picture
that.
for you.
Beauty. Dude, they look so pretty.
Yep.
The pattern on them. We see like the mini versions only.
Yeah.
So seeing something this big and this side right here is like nice.
It's like a leopard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get a photo of you.
Alright. Thanks for the fight, buddy. There you go.
Good stuff, bro.
Yeah, thanks,
Let's
bro.
go. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. 呢係個隻薄嘅。Oh, roll it slow. You got it? Oh. It's alright. Yeah, slow so it doesn't get hung.
There's too many branches.
Yeah. You can get it? There you go, nice. Alright. I'm just trying to hide in the shade here. Oh, that was cool, dude. I was like, what happened? Like, you just see a smallie.
So hard.
Yeah, you're good. Yep, take your time. Yeah, take your time. Just let it run. There you go. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. Oh, back hook. Good. Yeah, it's good. Right, hold it up, bruh.
Yeah.
River Smallie.
That's what we're here for, man.
Try to get the fish there. Nice, dude. Good stuff. All right, catch and release. That blow up, though.
Yeah, that was sick.
Let's go. There you go. Yep. And they just slowly let it drift under that tree branch. You know what I mean? So it looks very natural. Yep. That bend right there. There should be a fish right there.
That looks so good right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. No. Bao nhiêu hả?
Got a lot of slack. I gotta.
Yeah, you got to keep up with. Yeah.
Reel down there.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
Yeah, we're catching up on the slack.
Oh, that's a big one, dude. Oh, that's a big one, bro. Careful. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go get the net. That's a big guy, dude. Keep it up. Don't let him rub you. Oh, dude, it's a giant.
Oh, yeah, it is a
Oh
giant.
my gosh, that's a giant, dude.
So hard.
Yeah, careful. Oh, dude, that's a giant. Yeah, work him in the current over here. Yeah, keep up high, keep it high. There's rocks right there. Don't let him rub you.
Bro, I need a net.
Okay, come over here. What is it? Oh, it's a giant. Hold up. Oh. It's a big one? Be careful. I got you. Keep it up. It's a giant, dude. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Oh, it won't fit. There you go. Dude, oh my gosh.
That's huge.
I think that's a tank. And that was like the slightest slurp too. Yeah, careful, yeah. You want to let some line out first? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this guy's
There you go. Yep. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's go. That's crazy.
What's over here for, man?
Damn, that's a nice fish, bro. Let's go, dude. Heck yeah, we can get some picture and let her go.
Yeah.
Yes. Wasn't that big?
Oh, dude, this is exciting, man.
Yeah, you can just leave right here. Yeah, right here is good enough. Just try to get the sunlight here. Oh, here we go. What a beauty, man. Beautiful fish. Yeah, I'm ready whenever you are.
She's ready. Oh, peace out. Bro, that was sick.
Let's go. Oh, that was cool. I heard it too. Pop. Uh-huh. There you go. They're small, but they are machines.
These hooks, man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I like them. Turn the hook on later. That's what you want. Yeah. Well, that means they're doing it right. Whoa! You saw it? You saw that pike?
Yeah.
Oh, go. See if you can catch him. Go. Go, Punita. That's a pike, dude.
Came right up.
I'm good, bro. You can have him. You got one? Nice. Ooh, that's a nice one, dude. Nice, that's a good one. You need the net? Here. Yeah. Damn, so pretty. Yeah, they are feisty.
Might have it on camera. Maybe.
Okay. I did. Yeah. Alright, see, get that pike.
That's a pretty big guy too.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, right there, you saw it. Oh my gosh, dude. That's a nice one. Oh, it's a nice smallie. Oh my god, no, he's in the weeds. That's a nice smallie, dude. Look at this one. Get in here, yeah. That's a good one. Oh, yeah, this one will do. Oh, it smells so good, dude. So fresh. You saw that? Look, missed. Missed it. Oh, I got him, see? Finally. And the little one gets it. Man, dude, the big one misses it and I get the small guy. What the heck? And it pops off, see? Man, dude, this hook sucks. That's why when I get a big one on this lure, I get nervous, dude. He's gonna shake it off, yeah. Don't get me wrong, they are sticky sharp, but I think they're too sharp. They slice a hole in them. Oh, I got one. It's a nice one, dude. I didn't even feel him. It's a nice one. Look, it popped off. What? See? I told you, yeah. I hooked him good too and it popped off. Yeah, it's okay. So I know I shot an outro. We were on the side of the road changing into like our normal clothes and everything. I have no idea why it's not here. Like, I don't know if I hit record on my camera. I don't know if it got corrupted. I have no idea. It was an awesome trip. We caught a lot more. We caught tons of smallies, but I felt like these were the ones that were worthy in the video. Again, tons of like dings, tons of like 10 inches, 12 inches. But to him, you know, it's awesome because they don't see this type of fishing too often, right? Or just kind of weather. So just having him over, just seeing his excitement, his joy of catching smallmouth bass out on the river was just, it felt good to me. You know, like I felt good. I love watching people catch fish. I love just watching them do this, you know. So I'm glad I got to take him out. It was nice. It was fun. That's all I have to say. You know, thanks for coming, bro, and hopefully we do this again very soon. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, and we're gonna do some more smallmouth fishing just for you guys. Peace.